Let me show you how to do this colorful makeup. I start by doing my eyebrows and I use Got2B Glued hair gel to style them. I apply the gel using the brush from an empty Benefit Brow Setter gel. Once the brows are arranged, I apply a thin layer of translucent powder. This trick allows me to continue straight away with drawing hair-like strokes using NYX's Lift&Snatch marker. As eyeshadow primers, I'm going to use two shades from Beauty Creations. I apply shade Ballerina on my brow bone, while the shade Blackout is applied on both my lids. I apply this eyeshadow from Juvia's Plays the Festival on the brow bone, but then I apply an even lighter one from the same palette right between my eyebrow and the first shadow already on. I use the black eyeshadow from Huda on my lower lid and in the outer corner of my eye. I blend out the eyeshadow from the lower lid with this matte purple one from Huda's Amethyst Obsession palette. I elongate the outer corner of my eye using a mix of these two shades. I apply the eyeshadow Hush Hush from Boysenberry's Matterial Girl palette above the crease with a blending brush. I apply these two shimmery eyeshadows from Huda's palette on my mobile lid. I apply the next shade above the inner corner of my eye to create an illusion of a brighter, bigger eye. I contour my eyes with Inglot's eyeliner gel number 77. I add more light in the inner corner of my eye using AMA's pigment number 475. I finish my eyes makeup by contouring under the brow, applying eyelashes and mascara. Moving on to the face, I apply MAC Matchmaster foundation with a brush. Then, I apply MAC Prolongwear concealer. I cream contour my face using NYX's Shade Adjuster. I apply the highlighter before setting the foundation with powder. This way, I obtain a brighter finish. I set in place the cream contour with powder products, and I use the second shade from NYX's Powder Contour palette. I use NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop powder to set the rest of my face. I apply on my lips the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipstick. I set everything with Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and now the makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.